You okay? Yes, I am. Hello there. Hi everyone. How are you? Hello Yannick. Hello Syllab. Comment vas-tu? Very well, thank you. And you? Well, very well. What are we doing today for kids? Well, today, what about your personal details? Wow, personal details. But there's a very personal question, you know. Never mind, it's just a game, a memory game. That's all. Okay. And have you got the cards? Yes, of course. It is theirs. Here. Oh, yes, that is... Okay. Alors, that's a question. Yes. And the answer, just that's it. Bon. Alors, the games. Family 1, for example. Alors, the answer. Yes, it is. Peux-tu me dire ce que c'est? Yes. What's your name? What's your name? Yeah. And the answer is? Alors, my name is Kate. Voilà. My name is Kate. Alors, the second couple. Alors, blue one. Family blue. Yes. Alors, how old are you? How old are you? And the answer is, let me see. Yes, it is. Alors, I'm 20. Ou on peut dire, I'm 20 years old. Right. The third family, la troisième famille. Yes, the first. Alors, when your birthday? When's your birthday? Or when is your birthday? Yes. Voilà. Alors, la question, la réponse. Answer, on June 19th. Voilà. On June 19th. Okay, right. And the family Brown. Yes. What's your hobbies? What's your hobbies? Yes. And the answer is, I play the piano. I play the piano. Yes. I like football too. Yes. All right. The fifth one, donc white family. All right. 5. Okay. What does it write? Are you married? That's a personal, very personal question. Are you married? Good. And the answer is, no, I'm single. No, I'm single. Right, it is. Alors, the sixth one, the sixth family. Have you got kids? Have you got kids? Wait a minute. Voilà. Have you got kids? Right. Have you? No. Right. And the answer is, I've got a son. I've got a son. And you? I have a daughter. Right, good. The seventh family is, what do you like? What do you like? It's better like that. That's the same, but the picture is better like that. Right, it is. And the answer is, yes, I like travel. Read it, please. I like travel. J'aime bien voyager. Okay, alors, the eighth one, the eighth family. Yes, the green one. Yes, the green one. Read it. Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? The answer is, I live in Saint-Dié. I live in Saint-Dié. Good. You read very well. Oh, yes, yes. Donc le ninth family, pink one. Yes, pink one is what do you do? What do you do? Qu'est-ce que vous faites dans la vie? Yes. And the answer is I'm a housewife. I'm a housewife. That's right, isn't it? Yes, it is. Right. Oh, did you see the time? Yes, I see. We have a train at the station. Right, we're a bit behind the schedule. Yes, it is. Best we off. Yes, best be off. Goodbye. See you soon. All right. Goodbye. Pum 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 pum.